Okay, good morning, everybody.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning,
Good
sir.
morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Today I am discuss about some aromatic haloalkane or haloarenes. The compounds just write down. The first aromatic compound that is called fluorobenzene. Okay. Again, that is fluorobenzene. Next one is bromobenzene. And iodine. Aromatic alkyl halide. These are called just like fluorobenzene, bromobenzene, and iodine. Okay. Got it? Next, tell me the compound name is what? What is the compound name of? Tell
Toluene.
me. Very good. This compound name is toluene. Toluene. Loss of one hydrogen. This group name is that is called
Benzyl.
benzyl. Okay. Again, benzyl loss of one hydrogen in CH2 position. That is CH. This compound name is benzyl. Okay. Then benzyl loss of one hydrogen. This compound name is benzo. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Toluene, benzyl, benzyl, benzo. Take some examples. What is the common name and IPAC name of this compound? And what is the common name,
Chlorotoluene.
common name and IPAC name? Here also. What is the IPAC name of this compound?
Sir, first one
The
benzyl
first one,
chloride.
benzyl chloride.
One by one.
The first one, benzyl chloride.
First is benzyl chloride. Okay, thank you. Then is the common name. What is the IPAC name? Tell me. What is
Chlorotoluene.
the IPAC? କଣ କହିଲ? No. This is এই type ରେ କରାଯାଏ. This is one
Chloromethyl
carbon,
benzene.
one chloro, one phenyl. Methane. This is the IPAC. Okay. The phenyl group, the chloro group. One chloro, one phenyl benzene. Sorry, okay. One carbon means single bond N. And this compound name is benzyl dichloride.
Dichloride.
Benzyl dichloride. What is the IPAC name? One
Dichloro.
One dichloride.
one phenyl benzene. Sorry, that is methane. Okay, last one.
Benzochloride.
Benzo
1,
trichloride.
1 trichloride, 1 phenyl methane.
This compound name is benzo trichloride. What is the impact name?
1, 1, 1
1, 1
trichloro,
trichloro,
1
1
phenyl
phenyl
benzene.
methane.
Trichloro, 1 phenyl, 1 phenyl methane.
Methane.
Presence of 1 carbon. Okay. Clear? Any doubt? These are the some important aromatic haloalkanes. Okay. Haloalkanes groups are chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. This is toluene. Loss of one hydrogen, benzyl. Loss of here one hydrogen, that is benzyl. And this compound name is benzo. These are the examples. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Today, next time discuss about nature of carbon halide bond. कौन कहले? Nature of carbon halide bond. Next part is nature of carbon halide bond. Carbon and halogen. The bond is called as polar bond, polar covalent bond. Why it is called as polar covalent?
It has del positive and del negative charge.
Okay. Due to electronegativity difference, these halogen contain partial negative charge
Partial
and these
negative
carbon
and
contain
positive
partial
Partial
positive.
positive charge.
What do you mean by electronegativity? Tell me.
The
Electronegativity means
tendency of
to
an
drag
electron
the
to attract the shared pair of electrons towards it.
okay. Thank you. Attract share pair of electron towards itself. That is called electronegativity. Okay. So halogen atoms, that means fluorine, and bromine and iodine. These are more electronegativity group. The fluorine is 4.0, the highest electronegativity. Top to bottom, fluorine, bromine, and iodine. Top to bottom atom size increases. Atomic size increases and electronegativity decreases down the. Okay. So fluorine is more electronegativity than chlorine, than bromine, than iodine. Okay. बुझे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then bond length. That means carbon fluorine bond, carbon chlorine bond, carbon bromine, and carbon iodine bond. Which is bond length is very high. Tell me. Greater the atomic size, greater the atomic size. Atomic size top to bottom range increases. नहीं? Atomic
Yes, sir.
size top to bottom को increases. That means number of cell increases. Okay. Top to bottom. That is top to bottom. ତାଙ୍କୁ କାହାର bond length ଅଧିକା ହବ?
Iodine or chlorine bond.
Bond.
जो
That means carbon halide bond is greater than carbon bromide bond is greater than carbon chloride and carbon chloride. नहीं? If
Yes,
atom
sir.
size increases, size increase कले automatically कौन bond length increase करेगा. Bond length means वो atom का कौन है? Nucleus का total distance तो कम ना nucleus का total distance तो कम कौन होगा? Bond center तो ना. अच्छा. ये वाला तुम्हारा bond length. Bond dissociation energy.
ଯାହାର
function
ସବୁଠୁ
କୁ
ସ୍ମଲେଷ୍ଟ ଆଟମିକ ସାଇଜ ଥିବ ତାକୁ ଡିସୋସିଏଟ କରିବାକୁ ଅଧିକ ଏନର୍ଜି ଲାଗିବ।
bond enthalpy ଅଧିକା required হবে নাকি? That
Yes,
means
sir.
chlorine the carbon chlorine bond is greater than carbon chlorine
Fluorine bond.
is greater than carbon bromine is greater than carbon jar size যেতে কম তার force of attraction যেতে ଅଧିକା and force of attraction ଅଧିକା means bond dissociation is very high carbon and fluorine bond. Okay, tell me dipole moment it is represented by mu
फ्लोरीन अधिका होगा सब
mu equal to q
सर
into d.
सॉरी सर फ्लोरीन अधिका होगा
Okay. Dipole moment is directly proportional to electronegativity. That means a type of haba katha. According to electron affinity, fluorine and chlorine, which more electron affinity? Fluorine, then
Fluorine.
then bromine, then iodine. So dipole moment may equal to q into d. Q means magnitude
Charge.
of two charges at a distance
Into
between
dipole.
two charges. Distance between two charges. Okay, that means here dipole moment कार अधिका हबो carbon chlorine
Fluorine.
due to electron affinity is greater than carbon fluorine is greater than carbon bromine is greater than carbon iodine. Okay, any doubt? These are the nature of covalent bond. Okay, nature of covalent bond. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Please ask me. Any doubt? Tell me. Are किसी doubt रहिला कि?
नो सर
No, sir.
एठी dipole moment रो काहे कि chlorine अधिका हला? Why
Due
chlorine
to the
is more
electron
electron?
ड्यू टू
No doubt electronegativity is direct proportional to dipole moment. But here according to electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity, chlorine is less electron affinity than chlorine. So chlorine is dipole moment is high than fluorine. Okay. This is bond length. First one is bond length. Second one is bond dissociation energy. Third point is dipole moment. Okay. आगे कुछ बा?
Yes, sir.
Clear बुझी पार्छ समझते?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Voice clear आछे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Very good. Let's see the method of preparation. Let's write down method of preparation. What are the method of preparation of haloalkane and haloarines? Okay. Write down method of preparation of haloalkane and haloarines. Method of preparation of haloalkane and haloarines. Okay. First method of preparation is from alcohol. How can you prepare haloalkane or haloarine from alcohol? Do you know alcohol? First bit is reaction with the alcohol react with anhydrous ZnCl2 and concentrated HCl. Got it? This is the first method of preparation from alcohol. And how can you prepare haloalkane from alcohol? First one is alcohol is treated with anhydrous ZnCl2 and concentrated HCl. Okay, anhydrous ZnCl2 and a concentrated HCl means this reagent is called as dehydrating agent. That means this catalyst always remove one of water molecule. Okay, anhydrous means absent of water, and this process is called as Grove's process.
Grooves process.
Okay, and this reagent 1:1, anhydrous ZnCl2 is to concentrated HCl. The two mixture is called as Lucas reagent. Any doubt? The ratio 1:1 means anhydrous ZnCl1 and 1 molar and concentrated HCl 1. This ratio is called as Lucas reagent. Okay. So how can you prepare haloalkane from alcohol? When alcohol is treated with concentrated HCl in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl, OH and H, removal of
Water.
H2O.
H2, because these are called as dehydrating agent. To form RCl plus H2. This is the method of preparation of haloalkane. Okay, or it is called as fluoroalkane. This compound name or just write down fluoroalkane. Okay, these are called alcohol. Take one example. R is the alkyl group. Take CH3 CH2OH. This compound name is ethyl alcohol
Ethyl alcohol.
or
Ethanol.
ethanol. Very good. Ethanol is treated with, tell me what is the product? Concentrated HCl in the presence of product.
Chloroethane and water.
Chloroethane.
Very good. Fluoroethane. CH3 CH2Cl plus H2. That is called chloroethane or ethyl chloride. Chloroethane or ethyl chloride. Okay. Write down the question. One question write down, please. How can you prepare? How can you prepare? How can you prepare? The question is, how can you prepare propyl chloride from propyl alcohol? Tell me. How can you prepare propyl chloride from propyl alcohol? How can you prepare?
SOCl2 से तो react करने होगा.
କଣ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଟା ପଚାରିଛି ଆକୁ ବେସ୍ କରି କର ମୁଁ ସେଠି ଯାଇନି.
Sir, when
My question is,
propanol would be allowed to react with concentrated HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, it would be resulting into propyl chloride with the release of water molecule.
okay, this compound name is propyl alcohol. Right? This compound name
Yes,
is
sir.
propyl alcohol. This propyl alcohol is treated with the concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 to gives
Propyl
chlorofluoride
chloride.
বা propyl chloride. Okay. ସମସ୍ତେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ method of preparation? Any doubt? समझते क्लियर कर लो
sir.
Yes, sir.
राइट डाउन
Yes, sir.
राइट डाउन These are the first method of preparation of haloalkane from alcohol. Okay. Jeba kuku. Jeba.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second bit. The second bit is from alcohol reaction with sodium bromide and H2SO. Alcohol is treated with sodium bromide and H2SO. You take alcohol, ROH, sodium bromide, NaBr plus H2SO. Okay, H2SO. What is the product? At first, the presence of H2SO4, always dehydration of water molecule. हम H2SO4 पैकेज कर ले H plus HSO4 minus. Okay, RH plus OH minus, removal of water. At first, removal of one molecule of water. Okay, at first, removal of one molecule of water. Again, this Na and HSO4 minus, Na plus and HSO4 minus. That is sodium bisulfate, NaSO4. Again, how come body chi? It R body chi to Br body chi. R plus Br minus. That means RBr. Okay. In doubt? Na plus Br minus. R plus OH minus. This OH attached to H plus, removal of water. This Na plus react with HSO4 minus, gives NaHSO4, and R plus Br minus gives RBr. That is called alkyl bromide. This compound name is alkyl bromide or bromoalkane. Got it? Or bromoalkane. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, take one example. Take one example. You take ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is treated with NaBr and concentrated H2SO4. Give the product. Quick, quick. What is the product?
Ethyl bromide
Ethyl
or
bromide.
Ethyl bromide S plus
NaHSO4.
sodium bisulfite plus
H2O.
H2. Okay. This is the product. Okay. Jyochi, there are questions about what happens when propyl alcohol reacts with NaBr and H2SO4. Give equation. Tell me what is the What is the product?
Propyl
When
bromide.
propyl alcohol react with
Propyl
NaBr
brom
and H2SO4 to for
Who gives? Well, tell me.
To give propyl bromide
Hmm.
and NaHSO4 plus
Very good.
water.
Plus H2. Okay. This method clear?
yes sir.
समस्त बुझ पारछो? Is doubts nahi?
yes sir
If there are doubts, please tell.
No, sir.
These are second method of preparation of haloalkane. Okay? Agu jiba?
yes sir
Next. Next, third method of preparation. The third method of preparation is reaction with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Okay? Reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. You take ROH is treated with SOCl2. Sorry. PO, PCl5. No? PCl5. Okay? Phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride trick which can break case karate Cl, PCl5, PCl3 and Cl. PCl5 means Cl, PCl3, Cl. Okay? A type of broken karibo. Okay? Now we breakdown karibo. This alcohol divided into three parts. That is Cl, PCl3, Cl. The product is HCl, PuCl3 plus HCl. Okay? HCl plus PuCl3 plus HCl. Now you take ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is treated with PCl5. What happens when ethyl alcohol is treated with PCl5? Give equation.
ethyl chloride plus POCl3 plus HCl.
ethyl chloride plus
Chloroethyl plus
PaCl.
PaCl2 plus HCl.
Very good. Nice. Again, another question. CH3, CH, CH3, OH is treated with PCl5. What is the product? Tell me. Be quick. This is secondary alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is treated with PCl5. So, the
2
product.
chloropropane
Isopropyl
plus
chloride plus
POCl3 plus HCl.
POCl3 plus HCl.
Very good. Very good. Isopropyl chloride plus PuCl3 plus HCl. This is the trick. Always PCl5 is break down this process. Cl, PCl3, Cl. Okay. This one is break down. That is Cl, PCl3, Cl. CH3, CH, CH3, Cl, PuCl3 plus HCl. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Jeba Gugu? Jeba? Next method
Yes,
preparation.
sir.
Jeba. Preparation number 4. From alcohol. When alcohol is treated with, that is D, alcohol is treated with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. Same thing. When alcohol is treated with PCl3, okay? This PCl always react with the alcohol, balance this equation at first. 3 molecule of alcohol. This bond is break down Cl3P. The bond is भांगिबो तो packet Cl3 packet ला P. ताले हम कौन पाइबा HCl 3 molecule of HCl plus 3 molecule of H, 3 molecule of O and तळे अछि P. H3PO3 phosphoric acid. H3PO3 अब ना बुझ पालो Any doubt?
Sir,
When alcohol,
सर ऑर्गेनिक रिएक्शन कला बेले तो हमें इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करिया दरकार नहीं ना, तो हमें बैलेंस
right,
करना
sure.
चाहिए.
ମାନେ ବାଲାନ୍ସ କରିବା ଦରକାର ନହେଲେ ହବନି। କିଏ କହିଲେ ତମେ ବାଲାନ୍ସ କରିବନି? ବାଲାନ୍ସ କାହିଁ କରିବନି? ମନ ଇଚ୍ଛା ରିଆକ୍ସନ ଲେଖିଦେବା? No, no, no. Balance କରିବା. Always remember that point. When PCl3 is treated with the alcohol, always balance this molecule. The 3 molecule of alcohol is treated with PCl3. That means Cl3p, HCl, 3 molecules of H3PO3. এটা এভাবে থাকে। balance কি হলো তুমি মনে কলা? balance হবে না। হবে। বুঝলা?
Yes, sir.
এবার বুঝিয়ে Take one example. Ethyl alcohol is treated with PCl3. Conductor product. क्या कर बरिबो?
3 molecules of ethyl
3
chloride with
molecules of
H3PO.
ethyl chloride plus HCl.
3 molecule of ethyl chloride
Chloride.
plus H3PO3. Okay? अब
Yes.
ଏବେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ ଏଟା ବାଲାନ୍ସ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନହେଲେ ତମ this is the exact product. Okay? Let's ଯିବା another method of preparation. That means a reaction with alcohol react with the first called thionyl chloride. You take thionyl chloride, SOCl2. Okay, a reaction with thionyl chloride. This compound name is thionyl chloride, SOCl2. This compound is breakdown. The process is Cl, SOCl. You take alcohol. Alcohol is treated with SOCl2. इस तरह से breakdown करें. Cl, SOCl, HCl, SO2, HCl. Okay, HCl, SO2 plus HCl. Okay, take one example. When ethyl alcohol is treated with SOCl. What happens when ethyl alcohol is treated with
Chloride plus
SOCl?
SO2 plus
Ethyl
HCl.
chloride plus
plus
SO2
SO2
plus
plus
HCl.
Ethyl chloride plus SO2 plus HCl. Okay, any doubt? Okay. When alcohol is treated with thionyl chloride, to gives haloalkanes. Okay. Take one example. Ethyl alcohol is treated with thionyl chloride, to gives chloroethane or ethyl chloride and SO2 plus HCl. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, dear students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Last reaction from alcohol. You take the red phosphorus, react with iodine or BF. Always remember that point. When alcohol is treated with iodine, okay, when alcohol is treated with iodine in presence of what? Red phosphorus.
Red phosphorus.
Okay, red phosphorus. 2 gives alkyl iodide. So, direct base. Actually, you take red phosphorus and iodine. Okay, you take 6 molecules of you take 3 molecules of iodine. 2 gives what? Tell me. Iodine in presence of red phosphorus. That means formation of I3.
PI3.
And B. 2 gives I3. I3 केवल exist करे or PBr3. खाली PCl3 exist करे. ये data compound exist करे देन. ସେଥିପାଇଁ କଣ ଲେଖା ଯାଏ माने आयोडोनेशन होउच मींस इट कम कम एट करते द प्रेजेंस ऑफ PiC that means red phosphorus and Hi means I2 means PiC Br2 in presence of red phosphorus means PbR3 that means formation of alkyl iodide iodine add कले alkyl iodide दबो Br2 add कले alkyl bromide दबो okay
सर कौन पे एग्जिस्ट करंतनी
ये एटमॉस्फेयर रे लेस स्टेबल था सेति एग्जिस्ट करंतनी
तो दीटा को
हां ओनली फॉर एडिटा इन PiC एग्जिस्ट करे ओके सेति हम कोने अनस्टेबल स्टेज था दीज आर अनस्टेबल सेति हम कोन करबा आयोडिनेशन करबा इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ रेड फास्फोरस देखो फास्फोरस substituted with iodine 2 gives PCl3 4 molecule 6 टा नहीं जाओ आई ना आयोडीन नहीं जाओ सॉरी अब रेड फास्फोरस
Yes, sir.
4 molecule में एक्चुअल एट हला रिएक्शन द रियल रिएक्शन और P4 and 6Br2 the formation of a PBr3 4 molecule of PBr3 किंतु एटा अनस्टेबल स्टेज थांते एग्जिस्ट करंते सेति पे कोन खाय आयोडोनेशन वाला आयोडीन ऐड करबो Br2 ले Br ऐड करबो